What's going on, everybody? So today is a super exciting day for me because I get to real mow the putting green with the brand new perennial ryegrass. So I've mowed it a couple times already, and it's been doing really well with the rotary mower. So I'm going to put the reel down for the first time. I wanted to show you that. But before I do, I wanted to give you a quick update on how the rest of the project lawns are looking, namely the fescue over here on this side and the perennial ryegrass on that side. So let's take a walk. We'll do the fescue on this side first. All right, so as you can see, it looks a little bit like a chia pet, but you can definitely see some germination. Now, we've had some pretty strong rains over the last couple days, so that's why you're seeing some washout there in the middle because of the pop-ups, but also because of the pop-ups, you don't see a bunch of runoff. As you can see right there, that's doing pretty well, and it's actually doing some really good germination. For my neighbor's lawn on here, it's doing all right, but it is a little bit dry up against the wall, so I may need to put some more water down, but it is germinating, so it's doing really well. But it's looking good. I'm really impressed with it so far. Let's take a look at the perennial ryegrass on the other side. All right, so this is the perennial ryegrass, and it is looking sharp. I was actually a little bit worried about what it was going to do over here. It only started germinating about a week ago, so I think I'm going to let it go for a little bit longer. I may get my rotary on here, but I'll be honest with you, like mowing up against here, it's a little bit on the steep side, and I'm afraid I'm going to slide some stuff down. But I may get the rotary on here and just chop it down just a little bit, give it a little bit of a boost on the desire to grow. And then my neighbor said that I could go ahead and put down, I've got some extra fescue that I put down on the other side. I think I'm going to put some down here for him. He's got some bare spots like there and there. I think I may do that for him after I get done mowing today, or maybe tomorrow afternoon. But it's mud right now, so I may give him a little bit of a hand and put that down. And then this is the bad boy that we get to mow today. So super excited. I'm going to do that right now. Let's get the rotary down the bottom of the hill and let's get it done. Cut on the perennial ryegrass. I think it looks pretty good. Can't really see very well the lines. Oh, there we go. And most of that is just because the sun's already kind of gone behind the hill for the most part. But I cut it two ways. I'd say it's looking pretty good. Some of the light color that you see like right there, that's some of the leftover bleaching from the tenacity on the Bermuda. But overall, it's looking really good, and most of that bleaching is gone. It looks really light in the camera, I think. I don't know how it's gonna turn out when it's finally done, but I'd say it's looking really tight. I'm pretty happy with it. We'll keep mowing it. It's actually a little bit of a chilly day today. As you can tell, because I've got jeans on and a long sleeve shirt, and I'm not really sweating. The times are changing and it's getting a little cold, but the rye should be good for a little while longer. Then it's just gonna stop growing, and then we'll pick back up in the spring. But this putting green, oh yeah, I'm happy. I'm very, very happy. It's nice and level, it's soft, which is really good. And so when we come around to spring and I put down a little bit more of a top dressing of sand, it's gonna be tight. So stay tuned. It's a real fast video. Just want to give you guys a glimpse into the first real mow of the perennial ryegrass. And like I said, I'm pretty happy. Anyway, really appreciate all the support I'm getting on the channel. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you're one of my subscribers, hey, I really appreciate you guys sticking around and watching these videos with me. And if you want to be notified of future videos, don't forget to hit that bell and you'll be reminded of future videos. So with that, I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend and a great week next week. And we'll talk to you guys very, very soon. Catch you on the next one. See you.